What if you could build real wealth with just $50 a month? No stock picking, no stress, just one simple system called an ETF saving plan. Hello everybody, in the next few minutes I will show you exactly how it works and how to start today. Okay, what's an ETF? ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Think of it as a basket full of many different stocks, all packed into one single investment. Instead of buying shares of one company, you buy a small piece of hundreds, sometimes thousands of companies at once. This means less risk because your money isn't tied to just one business. Or popular example is an ETF that tracks the S&P 500, which includes the 500 biggest companies in the US. Then we have a saving plan in ETF. What is a saving plan? A saving plan simply means you invest a fixed amount of money automatically every month, every week, whatever fits you. It could be, for example, $25, $50, or $200. The key idea is consistency. You buy a little bit again and again, no matter if price go up or down. This is called dollar cost averaging.